defrosting. It's defrosting now. I can feel heat. But I don't see frost on the coils. It's the compressor that's just running. That didn't last so long. And it's going back to the heat mode now. That defrost cycle didn't last so long. I was expecting it to be a long defrost cycle, and yet the coils don't look like they're frosted. Like, I was just walking out here, and then when I heard it push into defrost, I immediately ran in the house and got my camera, and now this is what I'm filming. Wow. I think this is the best defrost cycle I got. This thing has a newer capacitor, and this is the third capacitor it's had. And it still has the original 1997 fan motor that is 825 RPM. Hopefully later today I can catch another defrost cycle. There are other heat pumps back at home. The Lennox. Thanks to a special YouTuber, X-Tom, he told me what month it was made. He told me what the manufacturing date was, April 1997. Thank you, X-Tom, for telling me this. Because I can't really read this serial number really well, but I'm usually used to the, like this and this number, for instance, as the week, and the third and fourth number to the year. That's what I'm usually used to. Here's the heat pump. And there is pollen in the air, which looks like snow, but it's not. Defrost cycle.